Joe from Motion Pro here today. We're going to talk about our HD steering stem bearing tools. We have two different models available. The first we'll talk about is the one for 2014 and up baggers. This is new to the line. Basically, how you use this tool is you cut the race off the bearing, exposing a lip, and that gives you a spot for these set screws to grab from. Now when you're doing your removal, you're going to take your protector cup, put it over the top there, and then slide this guy out, put it in, and then you're going to finger tight these screws. I like to spin the tool around as I'm doing that and try and even it out so you're grabbing not all from one side, and you will have to lift the tool up a little bit so you're getting the top of the race. But as you spin it around, just start finger tighten these guys, and it'll tighten up on you. And again, trying to do it even and consistent. I got a good grab there, tighten. And I got it so I can pull that up. Now literally it's just take a wrench, put it on there, tighten off there, and you're going to pull the bearing right off this driver. Now to reinstall the bearings, you're going to take your new bearing, drop it over the stem. The tool's coming down with an adapter ring that allows you for the driver. This one's for that adapter. This one's already installed. Now this particular one works for a majority of applications dating back to 1960. So this one carries a lot of years in use on there. Now for reassembly, you've got your bearing in your dust boot already down there, and basically you drop this guy and just break out the hammer and pound that guy on. Real simple and easy. These two tools will allow you to do things that used to take a torch or a press or a few harsh words. You can now do with basic hand tools in a matter of minutes at your toolbox. So there's a brief little summary of the usage of our two HD steering stem bearing tools. We have 080667 that will work on 2014 up baggers. This is a new addition to the line. And then we have the old faithful 080558 that works on the older applications. Both are available through your favorite online retailer or at your local power sports dealer nationwide. You can always check out motionpro.com for more information about the products as well.